say Catholic canon law says that a married couple must have the approval of the local ordinary to separate, which would equal an approved separation with the bond remaining. Is it a sin to refuse this canon, separate, and divorce? How does one get canon law enforced?
Yeah, the quick response from my understanding, Jack, is that it wouldn't be constituted as a sin per se. Although it is in canon law, you can check out canons 1151 to 1155 as well as 1692. It does state that before a Catholic couple physically separates and intending to get a divorce, they should consult the local ordinary, namely the bishop. But from my understanding of this, although this law is on the books, it's not a law that's enforced by current legislation, namely Pope Francis, the supreme legislator of the law, and even previous supreme legislators, namely the popes who came before Pope Francis. So there are various laws, from what I've learned, that are technically on the books, but because the legislator does not intend to enforce them, they're not to be enforced. So one would not be in sin for going against them. And this would be an example of those kind of laws that are on the books, but not being enforced by the current legislator, namely the Pope. So technically, the bottom line is the individual would not be guilty of sin.